I'm really excited for this year's Otolaryngology Update Conference in Indian Wells in February 2020. We're going to learn a lot from one another, that your practice is going to benefit, as are your patients. So I hope that you'll be there and join us, and we'll all have a great time advancing our medical knowledge in otolaryngology.
I hope you can join us at our 11th annual Injectables and Filler course. This is a great course to attend. We've had wonderful experience in the past and lots of participation.
We'd like to invite you to Oto Updates in the Thyroid and Parathyroid Skills-Oriented Ultrasound course. It's going to be a great course, and we're hoping to see you this spring.
I welcome you to the UC Irvine Oto Update in Palm Springs.
Golf, fantastic weather, beautiful mountains, delicious food.
I look forward to the Oto Update in Palm Springs, where I hope you'll join us.
You put all those things together in the middle of February and you got one heck of a meeting.
I look forward to joining you at the University of California, Irvine Otolaryngology Updates.
It's also not so bad that it's in Palm Springs.
I look forward to seeing you at the Oto Update in Palm Springs, where I'll be talking about laryngeal transplantation and personalized surveillance for head and neck cancer survivors.
So I'm going to be there. I hope to see you there. Please sign up. We'll make it worth your while.
Hope to see everyone in sunny Palm Springs for 2020 Otolaryngology Updates.
Come join us for UC Irvine Oto Updates.
Join us at UCI Oto Updates.
Join us at UC Irvine Oto Updates.
On behalf of the Department of Otolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery, I invite you to join us at the 2020 Oto Updates in Indian Wells, California. We have an amazing program with outstanding speakers with national and international reputations. We hope you can join us.